What is a centroid? To understand centroid, let us consider a triangular area as shown. When we join the perpendicular bisectors AM, BN and CL of this triangular area, we see that the bisectors meet at a point G. This point G is known as the center of a triangular area. Thus, in any plane area, the center of that plane area is known as the centroid. Mathematically, x-coordinate of a centroid is represented as, and the y-coordinate of a centroid is represented as, where summation AI into xi is the moment of area A about the x-axis. Summation AI into yi is the moment of area A about the y-axis. And A is the area of a plane. The related terms are center of gravity, moment of inertia, and the axis of symmetry. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are: remember diagram, remember definition,